Hey designers, what's going on? My name is FimeMD and I'm a UX designer in Toronto. And today I'm gonna vlog. And why am I vlogging? Remember my previous vlog where I went to the camera store to buy a camera, but it didn't end up happening because it was sold out, so I had to wait 2 weeks. Today's the day, guys. Today is the day that I get to pick up my camera. Right now, currently, I'm shooting in my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I know in my previous video I said it was the S8. It's actually the S9 Plus. I just finished working out, got that nice pump. I did chest workout, bicep and tricep. Because of the shitty weather we had yesterday, I wasn't able to work out. Therefore, on Tuesday, I did leg workout. So, very happy about that. It's nice, hot. I think it's going to be like negative 15 or something like that. But the good news is the camera is out today. I got a call. They're saying, yo, it's here. Pick it up. So I'm gonna go with my brother. I'm gonna pick him up after work. Also, I would like to thank all you guys for subscribing to my channel. I am close to 400 subscribers, not 400,000. I wish. Yeah, one day we will get there. I'm very happy about it. Every time I post anything about design related, like UI, UX, I get like a couple of subscribers like right away. And I'm very grateful about that, and I'm very thankful. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for sticking with me. And I hope you guys like my vlogs. If you guys are here only for the design stuff, please comment below and let me know. If you guys are also interested in my daily life, my vlog and all that good stuff, please also comment below. Yo, all right, so I'm gonna go to walk and I'll see you guys in the evening time. Yeah. Yo, if I get 10,000 likes, I'll buy this camera right here. Check this out.
I thought that's first. I thought you guys were gonna deal with
Yeah, man, of course. You look very clean today, by the way. Like very clean, ready for the camera shot.
Respect.
It is. There was a snowstorm. What, like 2 days ago? No, yesterday. All right, yo, this is it, guys. This is it. I'm upgrading my YouTube game just for you guys, dog. Just for you guys. Look at this. I'm gonna do a package reveal right now. Okay, so today is Saturday. The day when I bought the camera was on Thursday. Friday, work and all that stuff. I just wanted a good unboxed experience for you guys. Therefore, I had to wait Saturday morning. And it's snowing pretty bad. Like, you can't see it, but I'll show you guys. It just started snowing, I think. Which means for the 100th time, I gotta shovel snow. I've never shoveled snow this much in this country. Well, I lived in a building before, but living in a house for over a year now, I've never shoveled snow this many times. Okay, so I'm gonna go make some coffee. The lighting is pretty good, right? This is actually my home clothes, so please don't mind, guys. Okay, I just want to get ready and then do the unbox experience. No need, because after my unbox, I'm most likely gonna say goodbye to you guys. So yeah, let's go make some coffee. Okay, this is what I got. So I'm gonna use this lens when I'm doing design tutorials because this is very good for that. When I'm vlogging, I'm gonna use the lens that comes with it, which is this guy right here. The difference between this lens and that lens is it gives you a little bit of that blur background, very, very little. However, you get more of a wide view. So this guy's good. Got this for free. Got this for free because they were giving out a deal. That's right, your boy this time got a mic. So when I'm vlogging outside, I'm gonna be using this. And then I got a new stand. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Bang. Okay, so let's start with that. No. This? No. That? No. That? No. I think this guy right here. Okay, so let's start with this. I'm watching Friends, by the way. Love this show. Check this out. This is how my living room is, by the way. Okay, so let's go back to business. Okay, so what you see is stuff. Got the book. This is the strap. Battery charger. Battery. This is the lens. Bang, beautiful. That's the front. This is the back. It's 15 to 45 mm, so which means very good for vlogging. Boy. And this, my friend, is the camera. Okay, so this is the front. This is the back. Awesome. You can see yourself recording. Damn, good stuff. This is pretty strong. Wow. Alright guys, this is it. What do you think? Look, I got the mic, the camera, the big stand, and this is how it looks all the way around. Right now, I'm vlogging on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so I want to see the difference of the quality in 3, a 2, a 1. Okay, I guess this is it, guys. This is it. Now I have to like look at the lens at all times. At the camera before this, what would happen is, this looks weird. The lighting looks amazing. Wow. It feels a little bit heavy. I like the fact that how I can just turn the lens to zoom in and zoom out. That's amazing. Something that I'm used to, so I love that. And this is how it looks. What do you guys think of this quality right now? So amazing. By the way, what happened was the battery died right when I put it on, and therefore I had to charge. Oh my god, please excuse me with my holding position. I'm not really good at it right now. It's kind of new for me. Yeah, so what happened was I had to charge the battery, which it's still not 100% yet, is it? Yeah, it's still not 100% charged yet. I've been charging it for more than half an hour, and then my phone also almost died. I was at like 3%, so I had to charge both of them. Both of them are not 100%. However, while they were being charged, I was watching this show right here. It's called You. It's pretty interesting. Basically what it is, like this dude right here, he's stalking her. I just finished the first episode. I think it's good. It's something that I'm gonna watch this year. Also, last night I watched King Kong. I think King Kong was pretty dope. Okay, weird setup, I know, but oh, let's do the zoom in again. Whoa, this is crazy shit. Okay, all right, guys. So this is it. This is my new camera. I'll put the details of this camera, where you can buy it, and all that stuff if you want to. If you're new into YouTube and you want to buy a camera, do not buy this. Buy something cheap or use your phone if you have iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy S8 or S9 Plus. It'll be ideal to do that. The camera that I bought before this is, let me show you, is this right here. It's the Sony. Oh my god, how do I do the feature over here? How do I do the focus? By the way, I have to learn how to use this camera properly. Yeah man, it's pretty great. Like, you know, when you vlog, you can see your screen here. Pretty sick. I bought this, a memory kit and a stand for, everything came to around $500. Super cheap. It's a good camera for 1 year to get used to recording, vlogging, being yourself on the camera and all that good stuff. So it's a good investment. I do not regret buying it. It's giving me problems right now with audio and things like that. Therefore, it is time that I do an upgrade, and therefore I bought this camera right here, which is Canon M50. Yeah, so I bought like the mic and the stand. I bought it separately. I think that came around $200-ish. The camera with the extra lens came around $1,600-ish. Give or take, with everything in total, it was like around $2,000. I'm very happy. I'm excited to shoot more design videos. I'm in a weird place right now. Okay, so I'm pretty excited to use this on my design videos, and now I'm gonna create better content. Well, I do create good content, I think, but I'm gonna create better quality content. I feel like a professional now. Like, look at this, my background is kind of blurry-ish, which is awesome. If you have came this far to the channel, please like, and if you have not, subscribe man, and click on the bell icon. It's your boy, FiMMD, UX designer in Toronto. Peace out.